It's around -2, -3. That is good thing. We can walk and we can go out. But when the wind chill will blow, there will be a very hard to come out from our homes and workplaces. So people, guys, you can see my bus is coming. I am waiting for that to go my office. So let me get in the bus. Oh my God. Thank you, sir. So I am here, the bus.
Next stop, 49 Thorncliffe Park Drive.
I cannot tell you how much it was snow by centimeter or millimeters, but it is too much. It's not a normal snow.
Next stop, 75 Thorncliffe Park Drive.
Thanks, Chris. Hello, Laura. What's going on? Is it Toronto morning? See, the dog is playing. Yes. Oh, Canada. Thank you. I love this weather. Really, I love. Some people don't like it, but I like it. One more dog.
Next stop, Overley Boulevard.